Welcome to Shukela Training Centre residences. We've got rooms available for all our learners staying at the centre, 230 beds and 4 different room types, A+, A, B and C. Come with me, I'll show you the different rooms that we offer for anybody who wants to stay with us at Shukela Training Centre. Yes guys, this is our A+ rate room. It comes with its own ablution facilities. The toilet there you can see, and its own shower. And you will see how it differs from the other room types. Its own study desk, as you can see, and it has a double bed as opposed to other room types which are all having single beds. Nice little cupboard over here where learners can put their own stuff, or anyone who wants to book this accommodation for us. And again, it comes with 2 pedestals as it has a double bed. Yeah, this is our A type room, and all of them are like this, different from our A+ room type that we've seen earlier. It comes with a single bed with obviously the headboard and the pedestals, and a small cupboard, study desk, and again it has its own ablution facilities, the shower and the toilet. This is our B room type. Again, it differs from the A room type, but it has a single bed like the A room type, and everything else that the A room type has. The only difference is that it doesn't have its own ablution facilities. A learner staying here shares the ablution facilities with other learners in the same building. This is our C-rate room type. It is different from the other rooms you've seen. It comes with 2 single beds in one room, so 2 learners share the room. They've got their own wardrobe, and they share the ablution facilities with other learners in the same building.